Peace, beautiful beings, and welcome back to Collective Light. My name is Sharice Lovely, and today we will be doing a short yoga practice that is intended to help you just reset, reground, and come back to yourself. So go ahead and find a comfortable seated position. You won't need anything but yourself and potentially a mat if you have it. And we will start seated with our palms facing down on our thighs. Gently close your eyes or find a soft gaze in front of you. Begin to just scan your body, beginning at the crown of your head. And draw your attention down, just noticing how you are feeling right now. Maybe find softness in your shoulders, softness in your hips, and draw your awareness now to your breath. Notice how your breath feels right here, right now, without adding any extra stories or anything about why. Just notice how you feel. Then begin to breathe in through your nose and keep your lips closed as you exhale through your nose. This time, breathe into your belly, your ribs, then your chest. Hold your breath at the top. And exhale through your nose. Release from your chest, your ribs, then your belly. Again, just like that, inhale, belly, ribs, chest, hold your breath. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Again, inhale, belly, ribs, chest, hold. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Once more, inhale, 3 parts. Hold your breath at the top. Exhale, release. Take one more round like that here on your own. You can keep your eyes closed. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose naturally. Then tuck your chin into your chest and begin to create circles with your neck, going one direction, as fast or as slow as feels good for you here. And inhale, reverse the direction. Come back to center. Inhale, reach your arms to the sky. And exhale, side bend over to the right. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, reach both arms high. And exhale, flip your palms and bring your palms all the way down. We'll transition to a half pigeon. If it feels better for you to be in a supine figure 4 on your back, you can go into that. Start in your tabletop. Bring your right knee behind your right wrist. Scoot your left leg all the way back. Stay lifted here. Keep those hips lifted and square towards the front of your mat. Relax your shoulders. Relax your jaw. Come back to breathing in to your belly, ribs, chest. Hold. Exhale. Chest, ribs, belly. Take 3 more rounds of breath like that. Once you reach your last round of breath, bring that right leg back into a table. Before we move to the other side, inhale, press your belly down, draw your shoulders back, cow pose. Exhale, press into your palms, round your back and tuck your chin, cat pose. Inhale, roll back down into your cow. Exhale, round into your cat. One more time. Then come back to a neutral spine. Walk your palms forward if you need. Extend that right leg back, left knee behind your left wrist. Stay lifted here. You can be on your fingertips or your palms. And come back to that 3-part breath here. Take 3 rounds. With each exhale, find ease in your shoulders. Find ease in your hips. And after your last round of breath, come back into your table. Cross your legs, come to a seat, and then come all the way down onto your back. Slow and controlled here. Pull both knees into your chest. Rock gently from side to side. And bring your arms by your sides, extend your legs long, flex your toes, point your toes, flex, points, a few more like this, and create circles with your ankles going in both directions here. And then slowly begin to bring your legs all the way down. Let them come down to opposite sides of your mat and let your feet fall out onto the edges of your mat. Reach your arms out and away from your side body, palms face the sky. Find ease in your lower back. Let it melt into the mat. Let your shoulders melt. And breathe in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale, release. Then seal your lips, inhale, fill your belly, ribs, chest. Hold your breath at the top. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Take a few more rounds here on your own. Stay here a little longer if you need to. I will leave you here. Thank you so much for taking this time for yourself. Whenever you are ready to release, just bring your hands onto your heart. Find one thing or bring one thing that you are grateful for today into your mind. And have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace.